So we need the left, a mid, and a right subarray. From these, we need a left, a mid, and a right subarray. So what is the greatest left subarray? That means we need to store the left subarray which is having the maximum value. Let me store it in another left subarray. So let me write here left. Now in this left, I will not store this sub. Instead, I'll be storing the index. Now I need to store the index. So what I will be doing, the maximum left subarray which is having is 3 itself and at an index 0. Now what is the maximum index, maximum subarray having at index 0? It is 0. So firstly it is 0. Now we need to go to next index 1. Now what is the maximum up to here? The value is 3 itself, and let me write the maximum here. Left maxi. Let me write it. Left maxi is equal to 0. The value is 3. The value is 3 and the index is 0. Now, this is the left subarray. If you go, if you go here, now, if you go to the next index, it is 1 and the value is 3. So here the value is 3 itself. So it is not greater. So 0. Now we are at 2. What is the left maxi? It is 3 and the correct index it is having the value of 3 which is not greater. So 0 is the left maximum at index 2. Now come to 3. Now at index 3 we are having the value 8 which is greater than left maxi. So now the left at this index will be 3. Now let me change here. 3 is having the left maximum element which is 8. Now let me change this. Come to the index 4. What is the value? It is 13, but we are having left maxi of 8. So here we'll be changing our left to 4. Now let me change over here. It is 13 and the index is 4. Now we are at index 5. What is the current value? It is 13. It is not greater than, sorry, it is 12. It is not greater than left maxi value. So the left maxi till here is 4. Now we are at index 6 having value 6. Now left it is not greater than left maxi. So it is 4 itself. So till here we'll be having this left array. Now I think we got missed something over here, which is 1. I didn't write this one because it is not even applicable. So let me write the next subarray, next array, which is right. So right here we'll be storing the array which is having the maximum index at every index having the maximum value. So coming from behind, coming from behind. Now at index 6, we need to store the right. Now, what is the maximum at this element? So here we'll be adding another extra element 1. Now, for this one, what is the maximum? I'll be writing the I here, right maxi is equal to having 1 and the value, sorry, having the index 7 and the value 1. Now, this is the right maxi. So, here we are at the right maxi. Now, at here it is 1 itself. Now, we are at 6. The value is greater than the right maxi. The value is greater than the right maxi. So here it will be 6. So the index is 6 and the value is also 6. So come to index 5. What will be at this element? So 12 is greater than 6, the right maxi. So no, the maximum index still here is 5. So change over here. The maximum index is 5 and the value is 12. So come to index 4. Now we are having the value 13, which is not greater than 12. So till here it will be, sorry, sorry. Here we are having the value 13, which is greater than 12. So now it will be 4. So and we'll be changing this index 4 and the value is 30. Come over here. Now we are having the value of 8, which is not greater than 13. So it will be 4 itself. Come to index 2. What is the value? It is 3, which is not greater than 13. 4 itself. And here also 4 itself. And here too 4 itself. Now, what we will be doing over here? Here we will be calculating the left maxi, and here we will be calculating the left array subarray, which is having the maximum value, and the right subarray, which is having the maximum value. Let me remove it. Uh, Let me change this. Now, what will be the mid value? If you see clearly, the mid value will be from k is equal to size minus k. That means from here to here. Now, if I add 3 and having the left maxi is having 0 and the value is 3. Now, if I take the subarray 3 plus 3, and what is the next value? It is the right. It is the right one. The subarray sum of right. Here we'll be storing 6, 5, and the sum will be 3 plus 3 plus 30. And then if we are pointing at this element, if you are pointing at this index, now what will be the maximum? It will be 3 here. If it is in the left, we are storing 0, and the next k element will be 12. So in this right, we'll be storing the 5 next greater element. So this is the way we'll be getting the left subarray, which is having the maximum sum, the right subarray, which is having the maximum sum, and middle subarray, which is having the maximum sum. I'll be coding. If you like this video, share to your friends and subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries and if you didn't understand my explanation or you have in this comment section. Thank you.